How to delete review in booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete your reviews on booking.com application, so make sure to watch until the very end. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of booking.com application on your mobile device and then open it. Once you launch the application, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, you have to go to My Account option in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the settings page, scroll down and go to My Reviews option that is under Travel Activity. Tap on it, and here you will see a list of reviews you have posted. To delete a review, tap on the three dots next to review you want to remove and then select Delete Review option. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap the Delete Review button again to confirm. And once you do this, your review will be successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete a review on the booking.com application. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.